Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh your Facebook account in just a few easy steps. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. This will ensure everything loads smoothly. Next, open the Play Store on your phone and search for the Facebook app. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap it to install the latest version. If you only see open, that means you already have the latest version of Facebook installed. Now, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, then go to Settings. Scroll down or navigate directly to the Account Center section. From there, tap on Password and Security. One way to refresh your Facebook account is by changing your password. This is especially helpful if you feel like your account has been acting strange or laggy. Next, look for the Security Checkup option. Tap on it, select your profile, and the system will begin scanning your account for any unusual activity or potential security issues. You may be asked to enter your password again for verification. Once you do that and log in, your Facebook account will go through a quick refresh process. And that's it. That's how you can easily refresh your Facebook account and make sure everything is running securely and smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.